We made chicken katsu curry from scratch for dinner tonight. This Japanese comfort dish comes from British-style curry introduced in Japan, but it evolved into its own thing. To start, we remove the bones from the chicken thighs, then season them generously with sea salt and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Next, we build that deep, flavorful curry base. Oil up a heavy pot and add minced garlic and ginger, cooking them until they're golden brown and fragrant. Then add 2 sliced or chopped onions and cover with a lid to let them steam gently for about 15 minutes. After that, remove the lid and keep cooking, stirring occasionally until the garlic, ginger, and onions transform into a deeply caramelized brown paste. This is where the sweetness and umami of the curry really begin. Now it's time for the spices and aromatics. Add 3 tablespoons of Japanese curry powder and saute briefly until the curry becomes fragrant and toasty. Then pour in 3½ cups of chicken stock, followed by carrots, half an apple for natural sweetness, 2 tablespoons of chuno sauce, a few bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Bring everything to a boil over high heat. Then add the potatoes, cover, and let it simmer gently until the carrots and potatoes are tender and the kitchen smells like pure comfort. While the curry simmers and the vegetables soften, we make a simple thickener or roux. In a small saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it turns a light brown color and smells nutty. This will give our curry that glossy restaurant-style body. Once the roux is ready, add it straight into the simmering curry and stir well. Bring the pot back up to a gentle boil so the sauce thickens and all the flavors marry together. Now give the curry a taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt to taste until the flavors really pop, savory, a little sweet, and warmly spiced without being too hot. While the sauce is perfecting, we turn to the chicken. Take the salted chicken thighs and flatten them out with a meat tenderizer. Place inside a plastic bag or between 2 sheets of plastic wrap before pounding to avoid splatter and keep things nice and tidy. Next, set up a simple 3-bowl breading station for the katsu. 1 bowl with egg, 1 with flour, and 1 with panko breadcrumbs. Crack 3 eggs into the first bowl and whisk until smooth. Then dip each piece of chicken into the egg. In the second and third bowls, start with about ½ a cup of flour and ½ a cup of panko. Press the chicken firmly into the flour, shake off any excess, then press it into the panko so it's evenly coated in a thick, crunchy layer. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Now it's time to fry. Add enough oil to a pan to fully submerge the chicken pieces. Heat the oil to a steady frying temperature and carefully lower in the breaded chicken. This gives that classic, even katsu crust. Deep fry until each piece is golden brown and crispy on the outside while staying juicy and tender on the inside. Let the chicken rest briefly on a rack or paper towel so it stays crispy. Crunchy, savory chicken, a silky, gentle, sweet, and aromatic curry, and the comforting starch of rice or noodles to soak it all up. Try this dish tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.